Welcome. In front of me is an OUKITEL K13 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So anyway, to get started, we'll need to navigate into settings. Now I will lower the brightness just a little bit. There we go. So let's navigate to settings. From here, scroll all the way down to System, tap on Advanced, and then Reset Options, where you will find Erase All Data Factory Reset. Select Reset Phone, and then if you have some kind of protection on your device, PIN, pattern, password, you'll need to verify it right here. As you can see, I do have a PIN, so I'll need to put it in, and then it will take me to the next page, which is the last page. Now, to keep in mind, performing this will remove all the data from your phone, so if you have anything on it that you'd like to keep, do make a backup copy of it before you begin. Otherwise, all the data that you might want to keep will be completely removed, and there is no way of actually getting it back. But assuming you have already made that backup, or you just simply don't want to, you can proceed by selecting Erase Everything. This will now begin the process, which will take about like 2 to 3 minutes to finish up. And once it has, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.